Hey guys, it's Jeff from Cruising with Stuart and Jeff. This is just a short video of our stateroom while we were on board Ambassador Ambition. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. See you in a little bit. Bye. Just along from the cabin and the medical centre is our cabin, which is numbered 7040, which is an ocean view room, and when I say ocean view, I use the term very loosely, as you'll instantly notice a lifeboat straight in front of the window. These lifeboats double up as tender boats to safely ferry passengers ashore. Our king size beds was comfortable, but a little odd that both halves had a single duvet, but it didn't bother us at all. On both sides of the bed was a lamp and a main socket, which was really nice and not something we expect, as other lines don't always have them. There was shelving for knickknacks, and we used the edge to hang our suits up, as the wardrobe was full of shirts. The TV is a reasonable size for the size of the room, but to be honest we didn't even switch it on. There's a dresser with tea and coffee facilities, a UK 3-pin plug socket, and a USB socket and a USB-C socket, which is great. It shows how forward thinking Ambassador has been when they've renovated the ship. There's a wardrobe with plenty of hanging space for 2 people for a week, and space at the bottom for shoes and luggage, although we use the storage under the bed. On the other side of the wardrobe is lots of storage shelves, a safe, and extra blankets in case you're cold in the night, and there's also striped beach towels to use on the pool deck. It also looks like you could remove a few of the shelves and use the space for hanging clothes. On the back of the door is your emergency information, including the location of your muster station. The bathroom was a bit of a letdown for us due to the size. In the shower we were unable to bend down to wash our legs and struggled to get our hands up high to wash our hair. The toilet was very cramped for your knees, so all in all the bathroom gets a thumbs down from us, but we did manage, so no real drama. Well, that was short and sweet. Have a look at our other videos of our other staterooms on board Royal Caribbean and MSC. See how they compare and let us know in the comments below. Bye for now.